Welcome to the bird in the nest. This is a video, and look, you could, oh darn it, you can't see it, can you? Here, I'll try to just go like that. Here, I'll come around, you can actually see its booty if I come over here. Oh my gosh, someone's trying to climb it. So there's the booty, but coming over here. See, where did it go? That is very hard to see, guys. I'm sorry. Here. Okay, someone's gonna move the branches for us, so we can kind of see it better. Okay, it's kind of. There's like a branch up there in front of the nest. Yeah. You have to find another one too. That other one that you were just. You guys see it now? Like rotated. It rotated. No, it didn't. Gotcha. You can see the eye now. See, isn't that a pretty dove? Well, there it is. Okay. The eggshell we thought fell down off, and it's actually the bird is trying to warm the eggs, but an egg broke, and here's a piece of its shell. Right there. There's more over here. Here, I'll show it to you. There's the other smashed shell because a kid threw it at the ground. Then here's another piece. And yeah, that's all of that. And it went back there. And well, that's all we have. Well, bye.